Alright, I'm going to be doing a box of Bowman Chrome Baseball. So, here we go. For 2 autographs in here. And let's take them out of the box. Let's take them out. Empty, and here we go. Koji Uehara, Schwarber mini, not numbered, and base. Next pack. K-Rod, we got some color here. To a Lugo, base, and ooh, Corey Seager out of 150. That's a good one. That's always a good one. Numbered 80 of 150. Oh, Asdrubal Cabrera purple. 151 of 250. And there's the base. Andrew Miller, Alan Hansen, insert, not numbered, and base. No more Mazzara, Viscotti, all base. Still looking for 2 autos. K-Rod, base. Conforto. No, those are numbered. And the rest are base. Let's move these over a little bit. Hunter Pence, Joey Gallo, mini, Glasnow, base. I think we got something here. Nope. There's Carter. Nothing. Still looking for 2 autos. That's Volca. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. Tyler Glasnow. Not numbered. Tyler Glasnow. Autograph card. Rest of base. Got 1 auto to go. Joe Park, Colin Moran. The rest base. Lucas Duda, Brandon Nemo. The rest base. There's gotta be a little more color in here too. Some of these packs. You'd think. Tim Count. There it is. Cody Reed. Base auto. Not numbered. Centering looks a little off in that one. Maybe not. It's not a bad one. It's 2 autos. Now we gotta look for some super fractors or something. Something low numbered here. Gene Segura, Aaron Judge, mini. That's a good one. And base. 4 packs left. there's some color. Nick Gordon. Oh, you know. Alright, I don't know if we know what that is. Addison Russell, rookie. And base. 3 more packs. Moose. Joe Panic die cut, not numbered. Base. Nick Gordon again, one of those. Chris Cargo. Dion. George Springer. Last pack. Hopefully there's some kind of color or something in here. Can't get that pack open. Go Jose Abreu die cut, not numbered. Tyler Glenn. No more color in there. Interesting. Well, but that was a box. I'll recap the 2 autos were Cody Reed, base auto, and then a Tyler Glasnow prime positions autograph on card. Then also we got Asdrubal Cabrera out of 250 and a Corey Seager out of 150. So thanks for watching.